What is up, everybody? It's your boy VJ Ding here for another Real Steel video. And now, I just realized, in order to make this interesting, I'm gonna make a challenge episode, a separate episode after the story mode. As you can see, there is a challenge, there's a tournament, live events, and damn, there's a lot to do. There's a lot of stuff to do in this game. But let's start with Chapter 3. Blizzard Brawl. So we're gonna fight I forget the name. Icebot? I don't know, let's just find out the name at the end. He will be the boss in this chapter. So first, it's gonna be Metro. Hopefully this is gonna be hard because in my last video, the last chapter, it's very slow. And I have no idea that it was that slow. But now, we're gonna fight this big, chubby metal piece of junk. Well, as you can see, my Asura is still dominating, and this music is rocking like an ice-speed freaking machine gun, baby. I don't know what I'm talking about, but let's just say it in that particular way. Well, Asura. Truly, this game is so easy, to be honest. Come on, Real Steel, give me a challenge, dude. Goodness me. So next is Ambush Gold. There's a gold character in this game? I have no idea they implemented the game, or they added the freaking gold characters in this game. But we're just gonna finish this. Or maybe I just forgot. Yeah. I think I forgot there's a gold character in this game in the first place. But anyways, we're just gonna beat this piece of junk. Finish him with a big rip-off fatality, baby. But we're just gonna call it rip-off so that it's gonna be in the PG era. Alright. So, our next opponent will be... Oh my gosh, is that Asura? Hopefully this is gonna be interesting, baby. Let's just watch. Oh, my jabs are not reaching. Holy crap, that's a big damage. Did not expect that. Wow, nice block. Oh my gosh, that's a big damage, chunk of damage. Oh my, I'm dead, right? I think I'm dead, guys. Come on, don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me. Oh! You gotta be kidding me, right? Now that's a challenge. I've been asking for this, Real Steel. Now let's go. Rocking with this music, with my combos. Now we know what we're dealing with what we're dealing with right now. I'm so excited. It's gonna get harder and harder as we progress. Oh my gosh. Ow. That's a big damage, chunk of damage from the enemy's Asura. My forearm robot is better. As you can see, kick to the nuts. As a payback from before, I mean. Wow. You think you can beat me? Yes, you can. But I already beat. I defeated the enemy's Asura. No problem at all, right? Just erase that from your minds, guys, that I lost one time. Hopefully we're gonna face a lot of strong robots right here. Who's this?
Royal Camelot.
Wow. Instead of gold Camelot, it's a royal Camelot? Or maybe just this is the ordinary Camelot. I don't know. I have no idea. They have a lot of robots in this game. Finish him. Curb stomp, baby. This is no bueno. Unacceptable fight. Give me a robot that is leveled with my Asura, bro. Are you serious? This ice cooling machine abandoned has nothing to do with me in this particular fight. As you can see, one hit. Easy. Bring out the machine in Asura. Asura's rat. That's right, right? Asura's rat? You know what I mean. Asura is a game. I think there's a game called Asura. I don't remember. I think Asura is a 4-armed mythical creature. I don't know. I forgot. But I heard Asura in it before. Oh my gosh, this is a... Holy crap, that's a good looking robot right there. Oh no, no, that's the speed agility robot, right? Oh, low blow. Nope. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh, he's hitting my nuts and guts. You gotta be kidding me, right? Look at my damage. Wow, I think this robot is tough. I'm underestimating. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, this robot is a wrestler? You gotta be kidding me, right?
Diablo
Holy. Oh, okay, okay. This one's a tough one. I never faced Wraith before. Is it Wraith? I forget the name. Anyway, we're just gonna go defense, and then we're gonna hit after he hits us. Then it's a punish. That's a kick. Damn. Those SP moves for Asura is so sick looking, to be honest. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was gonna plan for a rip-off, but I think I'm just gonna finish him right now. Okay, that's a good way to end that fight. Whew, that was a very, very, very big problem for me. Now, oh, Crimson Carnage. Never heard this name before. Well, that's a sick ass intro. I mean, the theme is nice. But anyway, we're just gonna finish him. The intro's good, but the robot itself is not.
Asura wins!
Damn, Asura. Damn. Nothing can stop this robot. Alright. So we're just gonna go with Blue Bot, I believe. This is Blue Bot, right? Okay. Blue Bot and ice. That makes sense. Because ice is made of water and water is blue, and you know what I mean, right? That makes sense for him to be the boss. But for a boss, I think the Asura and the Wraith in the past battles is quite stronger than the boss itself. As you can see, I just bullied this little blue bot right here. Like it's no problem at all. Blue bot wins. Nothing, no robot can match Asura aside from those two. Asura itself and Wraith. I believe that's Wraith, right? I'm gonna check it out later. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. Chapter 3, the challenges, I'm just gonna split it up because I think Chapter 3 itself is tough. It took quite longer than I expected. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for your support, and thank you guys for being always there for me. And see ya in my next video. Subscribe and like for more Real Steel videos. And as always, stay safe, everyone.